happiness, what are you still doing now? I'm hungry. Do fast, do fast. Oh, I'm waiting for you, I'm waiting for you. Mama, as you can see, I'm eating now.
I for join you now.
Okay, no wahala. Let me go and get water for you now.
Ma, join you.
What happened to the food now?
The food not even done.
Funke!
You need more.
Yes, I need more.
Okay. Let me go and bring more for you.
You don't prolong your days. Thank you for watching Talk Answers Comedy. Please subscribe.